Let's make this beautiful Rakhi. For that I am using 4 ply yarn and 3 mm hook. First I will make one magic circle, then 3 chains. These 3 chains consider as the first double crochet. Next I will make 11 double crochet, total 12 double crochet. This is 4th crochet, double crochet, 5th, 6th DC, 7. If you want to bigger size Rakhi, you can increase the number of double crochet. Here I am making for medium size Rakhi, so I am making only 12 double crochet. Here I have completed 12 double crochet. Now I will close the circle with the help of slip stitch. Next, second round, make 3 chains. This is first double crochet. In same place make 1 double crochet. Next, in every chain make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet. This is second double crochet. In every chain make 2 double crochet. In first round we have made 12 double crochet. In second one 24 double crochet we are going to make. Second round we are increasing the double crochet count. Now I have reached the end of the row. In last I have made 2 double crochet. With the help of slip stitch close the second round. Last make chain 1. Next we will make the border line for this Rakhi. For that, here in the same space I am making 1 slip stitch, chain 1. In next chain make 1 slip stitch, chain 1. In next chain 1 slip stitch, chain 1. Next chain 1 slip stitch, chain 1. Like that we are going to make the border for this Rakhi. In chain space make 1 slip stitch, next chain 1. Like that repeat the procedure entire circle. Now we have reached the end of the row. I have closed the making border. Next we will make the dory for this Rakhi. Both sides I am making 30 chains. If you want you can increase or decrease the number of the chains for the dory according to your hand length. Now cut this extra yarn. Here our simple Rakhi is ready. Next, with the help of fabric glue, I will attach the special expression, that is eyes and its mouth. Take any color of beads, attach them. Like this. Our smiley Rakhi is ready. Here I am attaching the black thread for the mouth. See, our beautiful smiley Rakhi is ready. This Rakhi you can use for your children. See how cute it's looking. Here I have made one more Rakhi with the simple beads. You can add any color beads or you can make designs also. Thanks for the watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.